Hello, welcome to your Flow and Restore class. This is going to be a nice, short, sweet sequence, and we are going to begin seated in a cross-legged position. So just find your comfortable seat in the middle of the mat. Start to press the palms over the knees, close down the eyes. Use this moment to tap into the body. Notice the breath. Settle into your practice. Let the breath flow in and out naturally. As you inhale, start to sweep the arms up, palms will touch. Draw the palms through to your heart, keep the eyes closed. Use this moment to set an intention for your practice, for the rest of your day or evening. Anything that comes to mind. Just repeat it to yourself in your mind. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, soften through the shoulders. As you inhale, let's reach the arms up again. Exhale, bend into the elbows, cactus the arms. Good. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bend into the elbows, draw the shoulder blades down the back. One more round, flow with the breath. Exhale to bend the elbows. And then start to wrap the elbows forward. Point the fingers, extend the arms, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone. As you inhale, lift the sternum or the chest, reach the arms up and over. Exhale, bend into the elbows, cactus the arms. This time, wrap the right arm underneath the left, finding eagle arms, wrapping once or twice. And we're gonna find some cat-cow variations here. So as you inhale, try to lift the elbows as much as you can, lift the heart. As you exhale, round through the spine, tuck it all in, draw the elbows down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to round. Moving through your cat-cows here. And exhale to round, holding here. Gently release the arms. Place the palms onto the knees. Just notice the space in the body. Start to drop the right ear over the right shoulder. Tuck the chin in slightly. Left ear moves over left shoulder. So you're finding some gentle half circles here. Keep connecting with the breath. And very slowly on your own time, bring the head up back to center. Let's start to twist to the right. Bring the left palm to the right knee, right hand behind. Inhale to lengthen through the spine, draw the navel in towards the spine, and then exhale to twist a little bit further. Take another deep breath in here. And as you exhale, pick up the right fingertips and reach the right fingertips up and over to the left side. Finding a little bit more space. Keep pressing that right sit bone into the mat. And then maybe you even bend into that right elbow, place the palm behind the back of the head, and spiral the chest towards the ceiling for one more deep breath in. And a nice long exhale. Slowly extend that right arm. Place the right palm behind you, finding a twist. And then gently release and come back to center. Bring the right palm to the left knee, twisting to the left, drawing the belly in. Exhaling to twist a little bit further. Beautiful. Taking one more deep breath in. As you exhale, lift the left fingertips, reach them over to the right side. Breathe into the left rib cage. Open the heart, spiral the chest towards the ceiling. Maybe start to bend into that left elbow, bring the palm behind the back of the head, and then open up the chest a little bit more. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, send the left fingertips behind. Find your twist once more. And then gently release, come back to center, bring the palms over the knees. As we inhale, sweep the arms up. As you exhale, cactus into the arms, bend into the elbows. Beautiful. This time wrap the left arm underneath the right. Eagle arms, wrapping once or twice. Palms could touch. As you inhale, lift the elbows, open the heart. As you exhale, round through the spine, tuck the tailbone. Inhale to lift, extending through the spine. Exhale to round, curl into a little ball. Taking one more round, maybe close the eyes to move with the breath. And then gently unravel the arms. Press the palms over the knees. Drop the shoulders, lengthen through the spine. Find a soft breath in. And an exhale through the mouth. Slowly press the palms into the mat. Uncross the legs. Find your tabletop facing the front of the mat. Start to curl the toes and lift your seat up to a downward dog. Feet are hip width apart. Hips are high towards the sky. Extend through the spine. Press fully into the palms. Maybe start to sink the heels down a tiny bit more. We're going to take 3 big, beautiful lion's breath here. So great way to release tension. As we inhale through the nose, and then you exhale, open the mouth, stick the tongue out. You can even bulge the eyes. Again, deep breath in, open the mouth, release. One last round of lion's breath, deep breath in. Exhale it all out. Beautiful. Micro bend into the knees, gaze to the top of the mat. Hopper, step your way to the top. Finding a forward fold. We'll inhale to halfway lift, long spine. Exhale to fold. Micro bend into the knees, root to rise, sweeping the arms up and over. Palms will touch, and then exhale, bring the palms through to your heart. Beautiful. We're going to flow through 3 Surya A's just to build a little bit of heat and strength. So whenever you're ready, we're going to inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hinge from the hips, fold forward. Maybe grab onto the back of the calves. As you inhale, halfway lift, long spine, gaze down. As you exhale, fold. Press the palms into the mat, step or hop back to plank. Draw the low belly in. You'll inhale to ripple forward. Exhale, bend into the elbows, lower to the belly. Inhale, find cobra or up dog. Breathe into the chest for your heart opener. And as you exhale, curl over the toes. Send the seat back, downward dog. Beautiful. Micro bend into the knees, gaze to the top, hopper. Walk your way to the top. Again, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, root to rise, sweep the arms up and over. Exhale to fold right away, moving into our second Surya A. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Step or hop back to plank. Draw the belly in. Inhale to ripple forward. Exhale to lower. Inhale to find your heart opener. Open the heart. Dip the hips. Exhale, curl over the toes. Send the seat back, downward dog. Take a moment, maybe kiss the heels to the mat. Moving into our third round, bend into the knees, gaze to the top, hop or walk to the top. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, root to rise, sweep the arms up and over. As you exhale, fold, release the crown of the head to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, hands are on the mat or on the shins. Exhale to fold. Press into the palms, step or hop. If you're hopping, bring your weight forward and then slide the feet back. Slowly bend into the elbows, lower on your exhale. Inhale, find your heart opener, cobra or up dog. Exhale, curl over the toes, send the seat back. Good. Press the heels down. Send the hips up high. Shine the elbow creases towards each other. Spread through the fingers. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, open the mouth, stick the tongue out. One more round. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, release and open the mouth. Beautiful. Start to lift the right foot, extend the leg towards the ceiling. Draw the knee in towards the chest. Bring the right knee to the right wrist. Bring the leg diagonal onto the mat. Slide that left foot back a bit. Release the knee, top of the foot. Beautiful. As you inhale, walk the hands towards the body. Lift the chest a bit. See if you can lengthen through the spine. Notice that left hip flexor opening up. Close the eyes maybe. Start to tune in with your natural breath. And we're gonna go for a nice little twist here. Bring the palms to your heart. Take another deep breath in to lengthen through the spine. As you exhale, bring that left elbow across to the right side. Stacking the palms, finding prayer hands and twisting to the right. Opening into the right glute, taking a deep breath in. And then gently release and lift that left elbow. Bring the palms in front of you. Stack the fists or stack the forearms, whatever's most comfortable here. And then just start to release the forehead into your little pillow that you've created. Taking a sleeping swan, we're going to take 5 long deep breaths here. Draw one more deep breath down into the lungs. And a nice long exhale. Slowly press into the palms. Lift yourself up. Curl the left toes. Pick up the left knee. Send the right leg back. Find your downward dog. Good. Press the heels down. Maybe pedal the dog, lifting one heel up and pressing the other down. Alternating on your exhale, reversing the blood flow down the right leg. And then settle into your downward dog. Find a little bit of stillness. As you inhale, lift the left foot, extend the leg, 3-legged dog. As you draw the knee in, bring the left knee to the left wrist. Leg placed diagonal onto the mat. Start to walk those right toes back. Tap the back knee down, top of the foot. Landing in your pigeon. Start to walk the hands towards the body, lifting the chest, finding an open heart. Close down the eyes. Tap into your breath. Notice the heart rate. Notice the body temperature. Notice the right hip. And then as you inhale, bring the palms to the heart, prayer hands. As you exhale, twist to the left. So right elbow comes across to the left side. Placing it into the mat, stacking the palms, stacking the shoulders, opening into a little twist on the opposite side. Breathing into that left glute. One more deep breath in. And a nice long exhale. As you inhale, lift that right elbow, bring the palms back to the heart, then release the palms in front of you, walk the hands forward, stack the forearms or the fists, and relax the forehead. Finding your sleeping swan just for a couple of breaths. Let's take one more deep breath in here. And a nice long exhale. Slowly press into the palms, lift yourself up, curl the right toes, lift the knee, send the leg back. Find your downward dog. Take a moment, press the heels down, maybe pedal the dog again, or you can inhale to lift the heels up, bend into the knees. Exhale, send the heels down. Inhale, lift the heels up. Exhale, send the heels down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, send them down. And just find some stillness here. Very slowly start to tap the knees down onto the mat. Bring them as wide as the mat, big toes to touch. Send the seat back. Find your wide-legged child's pose. Walk the fingertips forward. Release the release the forehead. Take a deep breath in. Feel the lungs expand. And as you exhale, notice the contraction, notice the body sinking towards the ground. 2 more breaths. Beautiful. Gently walk those fingertips towards the body. Lift the heart, press the seat onto the heels very slowly. You can bring the knees together, feet together. Relax and drop the shoulders, lengthen through the spine, close down the eyes. Take a moment of silence. Let the practice absorb in the body. Notice the effects. Think of each breath as nourishment and a way to nurture the body, increasing the oxygen consumption. Releasing the stale air out of the lungs when you exhale. Notice the sense of inner peace, this sanctuary that you're cultivating inside. Bring the palms to the heart, seal this energy within the body. Take a deep breath in and exhale to bow together, closing the practice. Namaste. Very slowly start to walk yourself, the hands back towards the body, lifting the heart. Take your time to come out of the practice. If you want to stay for a little longer, to meditate or to be on your mat, you are always more than welcome. Otherwise, thank you for practicing. I have a whole video on Lion's Breath if you're interested in hearing a little bit more about that. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video, and I'll add the link in the description below for the Lion's Breath video. Bye.